How to replace a lost green card. Losing a green card can be stressful, but the replacement process is straightforward and handled entirely through U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Before you begin the application process, it is important to secure alternate forms of identification to prove your identity, since you no longer have the physical card. You should gather a government-issued ID that contains your name, date of birth, photograph, and signature, such as an unexpired foreign passport or a state driver's license. If you happen to have a digital scan or photocopy of your lost card, keep that ready as well. Additionally, if your card was stolen, it is highly recommended to file a report with your local police department so you can include a copy of the police report with your submission. The official application used to request a replacement is Form I-90, the application to replace permanent resident card. Filing online through the official agency website is the highly recommended route because it is generally faster and allows you to track your case status in real time. To do this, you create a free account, complete the digital form, select the specific reason that your card was lost or stolen, upload clear scans of your supporting identification documents, and pay the required filing fee electronically through the secure portal. If you prefer to file by mail, or if you need to request a financial fee waiver because you cannot afford the fee, you must download the paper form, fill it out completely with black ink, attach photocopies of your identification, and mail the entire package, along with your payment or waiver request, to the specific lockbox address provided in the instructions. Shortly after your application is received, the agency will mail you a formal receipt notice confirming that your case is actively processing. Following this, you will receive a separate appointment notice detailing a specific date, time, and location at a local support center where you must go to have your biometrics taken. During this short appointment, technicians will capture your fingerprints, photograph, and signature to verify your identity and update government records. Once this step is complete, your background check is finalized, and upon approval, your brand new physical green card will be printed and securely mailed to the residential address you provided. If you find yourself needing temporary immediate proof of your lawful status for international travel or employment verification while waiting for the new card to arrive, you do have options. Once you have received your official application receipt notice, you can contact the agency's customer service center to request an alien documentation, identification, and telecommunications stamp. This temporary stamp is placed directly into your valid foreign passport and serves as official, legal proof of your permanent residency until your replacement physical card arrives in the mail. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please be sure to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell to get notified about the latest videos.